Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm gonna talk to you guys about aggregate functions, and they are minimum, maximum, count, and the sum. So guys, in the previous examples I always wrote select asterisk from company, and if I run this SQL I should get all the records from my table. But this time I don't want to write this asterisk here. I will remove this and I will say select. This time I will write minimum and open and close parentheses. Here's the thing, guys. In between this open and close parentheses, you can write ID, age, and the salary. Because ID, age, and the salary are the integer, and in this lecture, we will work with integers. Okay? If you write here, for example, age, you will get the minimum age. If you write here the salary, you will get the minimum salary. I will write here for now salary, because I don't want to get minimum salary, and I will say from company. Let's run the SQL. You can see this is the minimum salary, but I don't want to get this column name like this. I don't want to get this column name, for example, like minimum salary. That is why I should come here and I should type out as and the minimum underscore salary. If I run this SQL, you can see it became minimum salary. Okay, let's do this for the maximum. I will say select maximum, and this time I don't want to get salary. I want to get here maximum age. I will say age. After saying age here, I can come here and I can say from and company. Okay, if I run this SQL, you can see my maximum age is 85. Let's come here. Let's see where is the 85, and it is here. You can see here the 85. Okay, guys, I don't want to get this here, this column name like this. I don't want to get this as, and I will say maximum underscore age. Okay, guys, let's run this SQL. You can see it became maximum age. We can do the also aggregate functions using count. For example, I want to count my, let's say, my country. Sorry, guys. Okay, I will come here and I will say select and the count keyword. Okay, open and close parentheses, and I will write here the country from company. Okay, guys, company. Let's run this SQL. You can see actually I have 14 country here. You can see here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and etc. But you can ask me that we have here 16 records, but my SQL, my current SQL said me that I just have 14 country. It's because when you use count function, this count function will count this column where the column isn't null. It is the main point here, guys. You can share the I will share this notes with you, and you can also take your notes. So guys, I will write here count function will count only, let's say, records which are not null. Okay, here's the main point, guys. We said count function will get the records where they are null. You can see here I have 2 records here and they are null. You can see here one of them is Tony and one of them is again Tony. They are null. That is why the count function didn't get them. And we can get this as a, let's say, records underscore not underscore null. Okay, when you run this SQL, you will say records not null. Let's come here. Let's write this count function for the salary. I will say salary, and let's remove this. I will just say count underscore salary. if I run the SQL, I will see the 14 again, because here I have two people that don't have any salary here, and they are null. And we said the count function will return you the users which they are only I wrote here which they are not null. Okay guys, let's now try to see this sum function. I will say select and the sum, open and close parentheses, and I will write here, for example, age, okay, and the from company. If I click run for this, you can see here, actually, I think that I made a mistake. No, I didn't make a mistake. I thought that I wrote here a salary, but it is true, age is true. If I come here, if I try to count or sum all the age, the sum of this age will give me 725. Okay, let's do this for the salary. Okay, I will say salary, and if I click run here, this is my sum of salary. So also we can use the average. I will remove this. Actually, let's remove the whole SQL. I will say select and the average, open and close parentheses, and I will write here the salary from company. If I run this SQL, you can see this is the average of my salary. Let me write here one more, select and the sum, open and close parentheses, and I will write here salary from company. If I run this SQL, guys, if I run this SQL, I will get, this is my sum. And when you, let's say, when you divide this number, the number of your users, actually we have 14, you will get this average. If you run this SQL, you will get the average. And I want to get here as average underscore salary, and I will get here sum underscore salary, or let's write sum underscore of underscore salary. Okay, let's for now run this SQL. This is the sum of salary, and let's run this SQL now, and this is the average salary. So guys, I want to show you last thing here, last stuff. I will use this count function with distinct operator. We saw this, we've seen this distinct operator. We said distinct will return to you, will give to you the columns or the rows records which is unique. Okay, I will use this with the count function. I will say select and the count, open and close parentheses. If I write here country, and if I came here from the company, I will get 14, because here I have 14 records have the country. But if I want to get the unique country, for example, if I want to get how many country I have here, but not duplicated countries. For example, you can see here I have Turkey here, and here I have again Turkey and UK. But I don't want to get uniquely these countries. I will say country and the just distinct keyword here. If I click run, you can see I will get 6. Let's try to, let's say, count them. I will come here, let's make this a little bit upper. One of them, UK is 1, USA is 2, Turkey is 3, 4, 5 and 6, and you can see after the Germany all the countries are the duplicated. UK duplicated, USA, India, Turkey, UK, and Turkey again duplicated. Okay, and I want to write here one more thing. I will say as the different underscore countries. Okay, if I run the SQL, you can see here different countries is 6. So guys, this was our aggregate functions. I think we're done here. Let's finish this lesson here. Let's see you in the next tutorial.